I have been an enterprise architect for the past 5 years and have found it to be one of the most interesting roles I've ever had. Are you a developer, a manager, or an architect looking to take your career to the next level? The role of an enterprise architect is one of the most respected, strategic, and highest paying positions in IT. But how do you get there? This video covers the complete roadmap. We will cover the skills, the experience, and the mindset you require to become an enterprise architect. The EA role isn't just about technical expertise, it's about leading an organization's digital future. This is a journey from being a hands-on contributor to a strategic advisor who sits at the intersection of business and technology. So let's start with the foundation. Before you become an enterprise architect, you need a strong foundation. You can't just jump into this role. Most EAs start their careers in one of the three pillars. One is on the software development side, two is on the infrastructure side, and three is on the business analysis or solution architecture side. You need at least 5 to 10 years of hands-on experience in one of these fields to truly understand the technical landscape. It gives you the credibility to advise on strategic decisions. In fact, most EAs come from a solution architect background. Your hands-on experience in one of these pillars provides the essential credibility you will need when talking to teams to convince the teams have lived and breathed their challenges, whether it's designing complex systems, managing network performance, or defining business requirements. This makes your strategic recommendations respected and, more importantly, trusted. Now that you have the foundation, you need to acquire the core skills that define an enterprise architect. First is the business acumen. You must understand the business goals and talk to executives in their language. Second is strategic thinking. An EA looks years into the future, anticipating needs and technology trends. Third, you need technical breadth. You don't need to be an expert in everything, but you need to understand it all, from cloud to cybersecurity to data. And finally, communication and leadership. You are a leader, a negotiator, and a bridge between IT and the business. Let us discuss one of the subtopics which I just covered just now. Let's discuss on technical breadth. This means having a working knowledge of major cloud platforms like AWS and Azure, a grasp of different data architecture patterns, and an awareness of cybersecurity threats. You use communication not just to explain technology but to persuade and influence the stakeholders. You translate a technical plan into a compelling business case to get a buy-in from senior stakeholders. This is your clear roadmap to become an enterprise architect. Step 1. Get certified. Certifications like TOGAF are the industry standard and prove you understand the frameworks. Step 2. Take on cross-functional projects. Volunteer for projects that expose you to different parts of the business. Step 3. Find a mentor, which I have done during my 5-year tenure as an enterprise architect. Learn from a senior EA who can guide your path. And finally, avoid these two common pitfalls. Pitfall number 1, staying too technical. Don't get stuck in the weeds. Pitfall number 2, ignoring soft skills. You can't be an EA if you can't communicate with the people. Beyond TOGAF, other certificates like Archimate or Zachman or certifications from major cloud providers can add significant value. For cross-functional projects, think about taking the lead on a major cloud migration initiative or a project that integrates a new business unit. These projects will force you to collaborate with different departments. Lastly, don't fall for the two common traps, obsessing over the details of a single technology and neglecting your ability to build consensus with a diverse group of people. The EA role is about guiding, not just building. The path to become an enterprise architect is difficult, not easy, but one of the most rewarding. It is about combining your technical knowledge with strategic business thinking to become a true leader. The role is about stepping out of the role of a doer and into the role of a strategist who can see the entire organization's technology landscape. It is the ultimate evolution for an IT professional. The average salary for an EA is around $100,000 to $150,000 per year in the US, making the effort more than worth it. If this roadmap was helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more career guidance. See you in the next one soon.